Hello, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Today, I'm tackling Zinnia, a planning app ripe with artwork, templates, and customizations that help you feel engaged in your own way. I'll show you how to build your own and how to leverage the large array of pre-made elements. Zinnia is free to use for 7 days across iPhone, iPad, and Mac, before requiring a subscription. The app opens into the Journals section, which you can see is selected at the top left. A journal already exists called Quick Start Guide. We'll be exploring in this video a lot of what's covered there. To create a new journal of our own, click the plus button at the top right corner. Here we have 3 options. The first is Ready to Use, where you can pick a blank journal from a template, ready to write in. The next is Import PDF. If you're already using another journaling app, you may be able to export everything you have there as a PDF and import it here so you're not starting completely from scratch. We'll select Start with a basic page. First, we have to choose a page style. Zinnia have a standard page size, but that can be changed to another format from the drop-down at the top left. You can also change between landscape and portrait, and also between single and spread. Spread is like a real open book, where it has a divider in the center, where single is just one large page for you to draw on. You can also choose a background color, and choose between blank, dotted, grid, or lined as the default. Click Begin New Journal to open it up. So I'm in my new journal, but there's some more customization I want to do before we get going. Click and drag down to see an overview of the whole journal. Here I can give it a name by replacing Untitled 1, and choose between a base color or some artwork for the cover's front. Tap Done, then select a page to keep editing.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.